This video, I'm going to teach you how to create WeChat account for Valorant Mobile. So for this one, you can just go over to WeChat.com or also go over to your App Store. Or if you have an Android, you can go over to your Play Store and also install it on your laptop via Microsoft and App Store or Mac. So if you want to actually create an account for this, just proceed to download it and then head over and then log in or sign up for an account. Do take note that you need to have your own mobile number or email address in order to sign up for an account for this. Now you just need to specify that you will use it to Valorant, so you can just give out its details to Valorant players that you want to chat or connect with right here. With this, you can actually create an account with a specific purpose. And for this purpose is actually creating it to connect with people on Valorant. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching.